Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the Moledle. I don't do this too often on camera, but basically the idea here is that one of the columns is always lying to us. So maybe it's always the first column, in which case that C should be green or yellow. But we don't actually know what column it is at the moment. I tend to assume it's always the fifth column when I get a green S, because I don't like dealing with plurals. But today we haven't got a green S. So I don't know what to assume. Let's try shove, because maybe the H was lying. But if it is lying, I suppose I should put it in a new position, shouldn't I? I don't know. I'm just going to try new letters. I'm going to assume that the fifth position is the liar. Get rid of the S. Right, the O is changed colour. Now that is interesting because it means either the third or fourth column is the one that's lying. So that means we've definitely got an S, so I'm going to keep the S, but not keep anything else. Oh, it's quite likely, I think, that the fourth column is the one that's lying, because if the third column's the liar, then we've got too many letters, because we would have to use S, T, A, O, U, and E. Whereas if the fourth column is the liar, we only have to use S, T, and I, so that is actually plausible. So I'm thinking S blank I blank T? Can't be Swift or Smith. If it's SI in the second position, what would we do after that? The trouble is we can't use any other vowels. I think we've now ruled out A, O and E. So there could be a U, but only if it's fourth. So the liar could be that it's actually green rather than grey, but it's just much more likely that we don't have a U. Unless it's specifically the word sit up. It's got to be worth a try. I would hyphenate this. Okay, so it's not specifically the word sit up. So I think we don't have a U at all. It's interesting actually, I've learnt now that the I is second. I was thinking it was probably third. So what are we going to do now? I think it's SI blank T blank 60. Oh, it's got an X and a Y in. That's why I was struggling. I was not looking at those two letters. But very happy to get it in 5. You can see I've got a current streak of 1, which I think must mean I failed off camera yesterday. But a success today, which is nice. That's the Moledle. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.